Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's G30J. I'm back with another YouTube video, and in today's YouTube video, I got another car meet for y'all boys. Unfortunately, I did not make an intro, so this is the intro that y'all guys are gonna get. But yeah, let's get right into the video. No waiting, no nothing, just get into it. Oh shit, that's the M5.
Oh yeah. That's him.
Damn, what's good? God damn, what the fuck? Oh shit, he's spinning back. He's got the fucking racing. What you say?
I know this. Wow, he's redlining. Bro, I know his tires are full, bro.
Shit, damn, it smells like tires.
I'm tired of it.
Yes, let's go flying over the fucking speed bump, bro.
You gotta go flying.
Big M5. This is the one who wanted to race me. If you guys see my my reel, this shit's nice as fuck. He's got the Ford. What are those wheels? Ford Star? I don't know. They put the V6 badge on it, bro.
Oh, this is your spinning.
Fucking out. Oh, there he is. That came out hard, bro. Dude. Oh, hell no. What the fuck is this, bro? He's got the Alpha Wolf on his fucking shit. Dude. He's probably like, yeah, this shit's so fucking badass, bro. Fuck that car, bro. Fuck that car, bro. What the fuck is that? 50? How much you want to bet he's NA on the drag pack? Does he not know that his fucking license plate is on hooks? The cord on the hideaway plate is.
I'm telling you too, dog. Park up. It's a parking shoe. Hey, Cox. What's up, bro?
I hear a fucking Lamborghini on God, I do. There's a fucking Lamborghini. Nice, bro. This is what we get for now, bro. Floor it. Floor that bitch. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. God damn. He's about to start. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. And he's got his plate on too? Oh yeah, he's
last
cooked.
call, you got the munchies.
He's got his plate on too? Oh shit, he's cooked. Fucking cops pulled up and everything, bro. Shit.
They already pulled up.